How to fix iPhone storage for problem. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Here you will see the overview of your iPhone's storage, and you will also see recommendations about what can be done in order to reduce your iPhone storage. So go ahead and do the recommendations, such as you can go ahead and empty the recently deleted albums and free up storage, or you can also offload the unused apps in order to free up storage. And here I have the recommendation to review large attachments in messages. Similarly, you can simply follow the recommendations in order to fix iPhone storage for problem. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.